You think winter camping is just for the hardcore adventurers? Well, think again. With car camping, winter adventures become accessible and enjoyable for everyone. It's the perfect way to prove you don't need to wait for spring to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. But why should you ever think about winter camping? Well, I'll give you 3 reasons. The first reason is, well, a pretty obvious one. There's less people in the outdoors, leading to some beautiful, serene landscapes. Not only is there way less crowds than in the summer, where you often find crowded campsites, but you're also making fresh tracks into the untouched wilderness. This means you can enjoy the wilderness without the distraction of others. The next reason might seem obvious to some, but to others, it is an eye-opening experience. And that consists of the unique beauty that winter brings to many of our beautiful landscapes. Out here, many of us get to enjoy the summers, but not as many get to see what the landscape looks like when it's blanketed in a cover of snow. And in my opinion, I find many of the landscapes take on a whole new meaning when they're covered in snow. Not only is everything covered in snow, but you also get to enjoy longer nights to view the stars and even possibly the northern lights. And when you wake up in the morning, more often than not, everything is covered in a thick layer of frost, making it a beautiful place to wake up to. And finally, the third reason to go winter camping is honestly one of my favorites. And it's the opportunity for personal growth. When you're camping in the winter, it often introduces new challenges that you might not be aware of when you're camping in a much warmer climate. This allows you to overcome those challenges and grow as a person while you're enjoying some beautiful landscapes. Some of the challenges include setting up camp in the winter, staying warm, and calculating risk as you set up your plan for your adventure. Now that we've talked about why winter camping is such a unique and rewarding experience, let's talk about how car camping can take it to the next level. From the added comfort to the increased safety, car camping makes winter adventures easy and enjoyable for everyone. And well, car camping has some great benefits for people trying winter camping for the first time. First off, it's convenient. You already have a shelter, and you have everything easily accessible and ready to go when you need it. No messing about with ground tents or trying to find a perfectly suitable campsite. But with that being said, make sure you check in advance to ensure the campsite you're going to is open, as many, at least here, close in the winter. To add on to that, in some aspects, car camping is a lot safer than traditional camping, as you already have a hard-sided shelter that allows you to leave quickly with all your things if anything goes wrong or you don't feel comfortable with the current situation. You can also go ahead and pack a lot more things and ensure you have everything to make your adventure comfortable and safe. And finally, you can always start the car and warm yourself up if you get too cold during the night. Just make sure that your exhaust is vented backwards. And finally, it allows for a lot more flexibility. It allows you to be agile as your plans change. You can quickly set up and take down as needed. And as mentioned before, you can adapt to the changing weather. And now that I convinced you that winter camping is the next adventure you should be doing, don't forget to pack your essential gear. This includes, most importantly, warm sleeping gear, including a sleeping pad or a mattress and a winter-ready sleeping bag, or a lot of warm blankets. You also don't want to forget food and water for at least the next couple days, just in case something happens and you get stranded. And finally, a full tank of gas and a desire for an adventure. And if you're looking for more details on exactly what to pack or what my essential gear is, don't forget to go ahead and check out my videos. Also, if you're looking to get into more of the overlanding side of things, spending multiple days exploring some beautiful places, don't forget to go check out my video on that. With that being said, let me know down below if you're thinking of winter camping. And while you're down there, don't forget to go ahead and check out Flat 4 Off-Road to get ready for all your winter adventures. And don't forget to go ahead and check out the channel memberships for some exclusive perks, including our camping live streams. And with that being said, I will be seeing you guys on the next winter adventure.